The golden poison dart frog, also known scientifically as Phyllobates terribilis, is one of the most fascinating and dangerous amphibians in the world. Found exclusively in a small range of rainforests on the Pacific coast of Colombia, this frog stands out not only because of its vibrant yellow color, but also because it is one of the most toxic animals on Earth. The golden poison dart frog is a member of the Dendrobatidae family, which includes many species of brightly colored toxic frogs. However, the golden poison dart frog is unique in both its level of toxicity and the cultural impact it has had on human societies, particularly among indigenous tribes in Colombia. One of the most remarkable aspects of the golden poison dart frog is its lethal potency. The frog's skin contains batrachotoxin, a toxin so powerful that just 2 micrograms, equivalent to the weight of 2 small grains of salt, can be lethal to humans. This toxin affects the nervous system by opening sodium channels in nerve cells, which disrupts normal nerve function and leads to paralysis and, eventually, heart failure. For many years, indigenous Embera tribes used the frog's toxins to poison their blowgun darts for hunting, hence the name dart frog. They would carefully extract the toxin from the frog by holding it over a fire, allowing them to collect the secretion without harming the frog itself. A single frog's toxins were potent enough to coat multiple darts, and these poisoned darts retained their effectiveness for up to 2 years. The golden poison dart frog's toxicity is not actually self-produced. Scientists have discovered that the frog's lethal venom comes from its diet in the wild, specifically from certain species of insects and other small invertebrates that contain batrachotoxin. The frogs are immune to their own toxin, but if raised in captivity and fed a diet of fruit flies, crickets, or other non-toxic food sources, they do not develop the deadly toxin. This dependency on specific prey for its venom has led to questions about how habitat destruction and changes in ecosystem dynamics might affect the frog's ability to maintain its toxicity, a factor that could influence both its survival and its role in local ecosystems. In terms of appearance, golden poison dart frogs are hard to miss. They are typically bright yellow or yellow-orange, though some variations of green have been found. This bright coloration serves as a warning signal to potential predators, a phenomenon known as aposematism, where bright colors indicate danger. Predators generally avoid these frogs, as even a tiny amount of contact with their skin can have deadly consequences. Despite its toxic defenses, the golden poison dart frog is a relatively small creature, measuring around 1.5 to 2 inches in length, though it can be slightly larger than other poison dart frogs. Another fascinating aspect of the golden poison dart frog is its reproductive behavior. These frogs are monogamous, an unusual trait among amphibians. After mating, the female lays her eggs on the forest floor, and once they hatch, both parents help transport the tadpoles to small pools of water. These pools can be found in tree cavities, bromeliads, or other small water-filled locations in the rainforest where the tadpoles can develop safely. This careful parental investment is critical, as the rainforest environment poses many threats to vulnerable young frogs. The golden poison dart frog is also notable for its role in scientific research. Scientists have studied its toxins for years, exploring potential medical applications, including the development of painkillers that work through sodium channel blocking mechanisms similar to those found in the frog's toxins. Research into the frog's batrachotoxin has sparked interest in pharmacology and medicine, particularly in the development of non-addictive painkillers that may be derived from similar compounds. Unfortunately, the golden poison dart frog faces significant threats due to habitat loss. Its limited range, confined to a small stretch of rainforest, makes it especially vulnerable to deforestation, agriculture, and mining activities in Colombia. The international pet trade also poses a risk, as collectors prize these frogs for their unique coloration. However, removing golden poison dart frogs from their natural habitat is both dangerous and illegal in most areas. In captivity, they lose their toxicity due to the absence of their natural diet, but capturing and exporting these frogs still threatens their wild populations. In terms of their environmental impact, golden poison dart frogs play a role as both predator and prey in their ecosystem. They help control insect populations, including ants, termites, and beetles. However, due to their toxicity, they have few natural predators. Some snakes, such as the fire-bellied snake, Limnodophis epinephalis, have shown an unusual resistance to the frog's toxin and are among the few animals capable of preying on these frogs. This specific predator-prey relationship is a unique adaptation within the ecosystem and highlights the complex interactions that make rainforest biodiversity so remarkable. In captivity, the golden poison dart frog has become popular among amphibian enthusiasts and zoologists alike, though it requires very specific care. Because it is one of the more social species among dart frogs, it can live in groups without displaying aggression toward its tank mates. However, the requirements for housing golden poison dart frogs are precise. They need a controlled environment that mimics their natural rainforest habitat, including high humidity, moderate temperatures, and plenty of hiding places. Specialized diets are also necessary, as captive frogs will not develop toxins, but they still require nutritionally rich insects to remain healthy. The golden poison dart frog also holds cultural significance for local tribes in Colombia. Beyond their practical use of the frog's toxin for hunting, some indigenous communities view the frog with a mixture of respect and caution. In certain regions, these frogs are considered sacred or mystical due to their potent venom and striking appearance. They have become symbols of the delicate balance within the rainforest, representing both the beauty and danger of nature. Conservationists are increasingly aware of the need to protect the golden poison dart frog's natural habitat. Initiatives to preserve its rainforest environment not only protect this species, but also support countless other organisms that share its ecosystem. Programs focused on sustainable land use, ecotourism, and environmental education aim to reduce deforestation and promote awareness of the ecological importance of species like the golden poison dart frog. By maintaining healthy rainforest ecosystems, scientists and conservationists hope to safeguard not just individual species, but the overall biodiversity that is essential to ecological resilience and climate stability. The golden poison dart frog is a striking example of how complex and interdependent life in the rainforest can be. Its lethal toxin, derived from a specific diet, highlights the importance of every element in its food web, while its bright coloration and defensive adaptations demonstrate the evolutionary arms race that shapes life in these biodiverse habitats. Though small, the golden poison dart frog captures the imagination and curiosity of people worldwide. It is a reminder of the mysteries that still lie within Earth's rainforests and of the urgent need to protect these ecosystems before they disappear. Through its toxic potency, unique dietary dependencies, and remarkable coloration, the golden poison dart frog stands as one of nature's most fascinating and deadly creations.